house, a place where I love to be. Look in a book, here's a story for you. Who makes stories when the day is through? Who makes stories when the day is through? Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun.
Byron Wordsworth.
Jelly and Jackson,
working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun. Come and be a story maker.
Oh, look at the time. Time to go home. Are we all packed up? Yeah? Okay, come on, let's get home. Come on, Jade. Out you go, that's good.
Story makers. Story makers. Story makers.
It's midnight in the library. Hello.
time for all story makers to come out. Are you ready?
The sun is down, the stars are bright. Story makers come out at night. Hi, story maker. I'm Byron. Byron Wordsworth, here to make some magic and lots of stories.
Oh, look what the children have been doing. Trains! Oh, I like that one with the coloured carriages. Oh, and that one there. Oh, yes, the one with the steam coming out of the top. Byron, Jelly, come and look. Come and see the trains.
Hi, Jax.
Hello, Byron.
Wow, look at those trains.
Yeah, the children have been so busy.
Yes.
Bacon and eggs, bacon and eggs, bacon and eggs, bacon and eggs.
Byron,
Bacon.
there's no bacon and eggs. It's just pictures of trains.
I know
yeah?
that, my green queen. I'm making a train noise. Bacon and eggs, bacon and eggs, bacon and eggs, bacon and
But
eggs.
Byron, trains don't talk. They don't say bacon and eggs.
Oh, but they do, my pink king. They chatter under their breath.
Okay.
Bacon and eggs,
Bacon and eggs.
Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs.
Byron, I'm going to be a train, but I'm going to do my own chatter.
Oh, of course, Jackson. What chatter will you have?
Jelly and Jax, 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 Jelly and Jax.
Hang on. What about Byron?
What?
He needs a chatter too.
What kind of chatter should I have then?
Oh, I don't know. I'm not very good at making things up.
I know.
Yeah?
No.
Oh, no, go on,
Tell
Jax.
us, Jackson.
I think it might be a bit long.
Oh, give it a try anyway. Go on.
Okay. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks.
Yeah.
Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks.
Oh, that's brilliant.
I know. We could be a train. I'll be the engine and you can be the carriages. Come on. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks.
Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Jelly and Jax and Byron on tracks. Brakes on, Jax, brakes on.
What's the matter with Jelly?
I don't know. Let's go and see.
Okay.
Oh, did you get left behind, my green queen?
Yeah, I thought you'd forgotten me.
Oh, never, Gels, huh? We were a little bit of a runaway train. I tell you what.
What?
How's about a story?
Oh, yes, a story.
Okay. Story. Yeah.
Would you like me to put it in, Gels?
Yes, please, Byron.
In it goes.
Oh, that's my favourite picture.
Yeah. Don't forget the imagination.
Oh, of course not, Jelly.
Imagine
Imagine a story. I hope it's a train story. Oh, it's a playbook.
And it's called Henry's Train. Henry loved trains. He had a huge box of them. He liked to choose his favourite trains and carriages. He carefully put them together and pushed them around the track. Woo-woo! One day, Henry's dad told Henry to stop playing with his trains and get ready to go out. Soon, they arrived at a huge railway centre. They went over to the old carriages and had a look. Henry touched the buffer and one of the connectors. But the best part of his surprise was that he was allowed to ride on a real steam engine. It was beautiful. It had large shiny wheels, a big shiny funnel where the steam came out, and a very smart plate with the train's name on it, Earl Bathurst. Henry climbed aboard with Dad. He watched the driver shovel coal into the big red fire. He watched as the steam brewed up and the handles were turned. Then with a loud toot, they were off. The train went very fast. Henry couldn't believe he was on a real steam train. Soon, it pulled into the platform and Henry climbed off. What a fantastic surprise! He couldn't wait to tell Mummy all about it.
That was a brilliant story, wasn't it, Byron?
Oh, yes, it was,
I know.
Jax.
Let's play the story. I'll be the train. You can be Henry on the train, Byron.
Thank you.
And Jelly, you can be the mummy waiting for us. Okay?
Is that okay, Joe? Shall we play?
Yes.
Train's ready. Come on. Toot.
Come on, Joe, you're playing.
I am playing, but they can't start yet.
Oh, why not, Gels? Come on.
No, it's just that I can't. There's an enormous spider next to me.
Spider?
And I'm frightened of spiders.
Oh, spiders! I love spiders. Where is it? Where is it? Oh.
It's here somewhere.
I'll find it. I'm good at finding spiders.
No, Gels,
Come on,
look,
spider.
it's not
Spider,
there
spider,
anymore.
spider.
It's not
Where
there
is
anymore.
it?
Look, Jelly, you shouldn't be scared of spiders.
No.
Look. Abracazoo!
Oh,
No.
can I hold it, please, Byron?
One moment, Jax, one moment.
No.
Now, come on, Jelly, Look, don't be afraid. Look, it's only a pretend spider. Look, it's just to show you how interesting they are. Look at that.
Hello, Mr. Spider. You're very big and hairy. And I'm trying not to be frightened.
Oh, very good, Jelly, very good.
Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her cakes and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
Yeah, but I'm not frightened anymore. Am I, Byron?
No, you're not. You're very brave, Jelly. I'll tell you what.
What?
Why don't we use this spider to make a story?
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Put it in the machine. Come on, Jelly.
Come on, Mr. Spider. In you go.
Yeah.
Now all we need from you is some spidery imagination.
Yes. Will you help us? Imagine
a story. It's a three-bear story.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's called The Great Hairy Spider.
There's a house in the woods that's cozy and neat, where 3 furry creatures are waiting to eat. The porridge is ready. Hip, hip, hooray! But who will come for breakfast with the 3 bears today? Poor Father Bear. All he wanted was some peace in the morning to eat his breakfast. But who could that be knocking at the door? Baby Bear skipped over to answer it.
If it's Goldilocks, tell her to come back later. She's a proper nuisance,
said Father Bear. But it wasn't Goldilocks. It was a little girl in a flouncy dress.
Hello, bears. I'm little Miss Muffet, and I'm so hungry. I was eating my bowl of curds and whey, and along came this hairy great spider.
Spider!
And, well, I was frightened and I dropped my breakfast, plop, everywhere.
You can share our porridge if you like, can't she, Mum?
Said Baby Bear.
Of course. Sit yourself down, Poppet. You've had a nasty shock.
Now then, Miss Muffy, what did this spider look like?
Well, it had 8 legs, and it was very hairy and scary.
Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet.
Tuffet means bottom where I come from.
Waving her spoon in the air. A hairy great spider sat down beside her and made her jump right off the chair.
Nobody likes me. I feel so sad,
said the spider, waving its legs this way and that.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moo. I'm coming to sit next to you, Mr. Big Furry Bear.
Save me, Mother!
Cried Father Bear.
Don't be like that. I'm a friendly sort of chap,
said the spider, and it skittle-scuttled across the table.
Anyway, bears are much scarier than spiders.
Oh, no, they're not.
Oh, you made me jump,
said the spider. Everyone giggled.
I think you're funny.
Chuckled Baby Bear.
You can sit next to me if you like.
Oh, thank you.
No, come and sit next to me.
Called little Miss Muffet.
There's no need to squabble. I'll sit in the middle,
said the spider.
Right, who's for porridge?
Asked Father Bear.
Oh, yes, please.
Shouted Miss Muffet and her spider. They all sat down to a porridgey feast, and Mother Bear added a special treat.
It's banana flakes today.
Banana flakes. Yum, yum. Tuck in, everyone. Oh, that was a nice story.
That's
you know,
right.
I don't think I'm frightened of spiders anymore.
I'm very glad to hear it.
Byron?
Yes?
There's a funny, not very nice smell around you.
Really, Jax? You sure? It smells fine to me.
No, Byron, Jackson's right. You do smell sort of funny and not very nice.
Oh, come on, guys, that's not funny.
His feet are fine.
My feet?
Not his feet.
His head smells lovely.
Not my head.
It's
What's
not his head.
I think it's in there, Byron.
What is it?
Oh, you're right, guys.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh, what is
it's my sardine sandwiches from yesterday.
oh, Byron, I think you better put it in the story machine.
Good
you know,
idea,
you
Jess.
mustn't eat them.
No. Shall I put it in the story machine? I can be the rubbish train. Chuff, 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 chuff. Ooh, very smelly. In it goes. It went in. Ooh, can you smell that? Join in with your imagination. Imagine a story. I hope it's a smelly story. It's a blue cow story. And it's called Blue Cow and the Skunk.
In a field not far away is a herd of cows grazing quietly. One of the cows is most unusual. Blue Cow wonders about the big world beyond her field. One day, Blue Cow was smelling the sweet perfume from the flowers in her field. I wonder what it would be like to smell something horrible. She's off again, said the other cows. So Blue Cow caught the bus that stops beside her field. I'd like a ticket to a horrible-smelling place, please. There you go, madam. Hold very tight. And they set off for some woods. And then they arrived. Blue Cow was surrounded by the tallest trees she'd ever seen. Suddenly, with a swishing and a swashing, a dashing creature appeared beside her.
Greetings, fair maiden. I'm Zorino the skunk. Za-za-za-za! How may I be of service?
Oh, hello, Zorino. I'm Blue Cow, and I was trying to find a horrible smell.
Oh, an unusual quest, but I will help you, fair maiden. Follow me.
They set off through the woods. Do you know where we'll find a horrible smell?
No, but have no fear, Blue Cow. I'm sure something will turn up.
Before long, a deer crossed their path.
Halt! Za-za-za-za! I smell the smell of...
Hi, Zorino. It's only me, Doris. Doris smelled nice and grassy, so Zorino let her pass. They walked on until a fox crossed their path.
Halt! Za-za-za-za! I smell the smell of...
Hi, Zorino. It's only me, Fergus. Fergus smelled nice and earthy, so Zorino let him pass.
Okay.
They walked on even further in search of a horrible smell. Suddenly, a fierce bear came lumbering out of the bushes.
I smell the smell of lunch.
Blue Cow began to shake.
Fear not, fair maiden.
Zorino did a handstand, leapt across to the bear, turned round, lifted his tail, and... Zorino had saved them. But all around them was the most horrible smell Blue Cow had ever smelled, and it had come from Zorino the skunk.
Zorino to the rescue again!
Thanks, Zorino. I think it's probably time I was going. Moo-poo. You'll never guess where I've been. Where have you been? I've been to a wood and been rescued by a skunk. Everyone knows that cows can't be rescued by skunks, but we know they can, don't we?
Oh, I love that story. Let's play that story. I'll be the train. Byron, you can be Blue Cow. And Jelly, you can be Zorino the skunk. And I'm taking you all for a ride.
I don't want to be Zorino the skunk. I want to be Jelino the spider.
Oh, hey, Gels, Jax, look. It's getting light outside. We better skedaddle.
Oh.
Dawn is upon us. The morning is nigh. We've made our stories, and we bid you goodbye.
Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers,
Come back soon.
stories of fabulous stories of
Thanks for helping. Bye.
See you later, Story Maker.